are you? I hope you are good. Today we are going to discuss about multiplications by 3-digit numbers. Multiplication by 3-digit numbers. Before that, I just explain you the worksheet what I had given in the previous class. The first question is multiply 72 by 35. 72 by 35. Here 72 is the multiplicand, 35 is the multiplier. Let us write these numbers. First write 72 into, write 35. 35. Here both in multiplicand and multiplier we have 2 digits. While we doing multiplication, we should start from ones place, and each and every digit of multiplicand we should multiply with each and every digit of multiplier. Understood, children? Each and every digit of multiplicand we should multiply by each and every digit of multiplier. First we should start from digit in ones place. Just ignore this digit. Ignore this digit and multiply each and every digit of multiplicand with 5. First we should take 5 into 2. 5 into 2. Already we know 5 table. 5 2s are 10. We get 2 digit number as a result. But we need to write only single digit. So, we should write right side digit as a result and left side digit as carry. We should write left side digit as carry in the next place. What is the next place? Tens. So, here we have to write carry. Understood, children? Now, we should multiply the digit in tens place with 5. So, we have to take multiplication between 5 and 7. 5 into 7. 5 sevens are 35. 35. But we have carry. Then we should add that carry with this result. So, plus 1. How much it is? 35 plus 1 is 36. 35 plus 1 is equal to 36. Now we should write 36 here because there is no other digit to pass the carry. Actually we have to write 6 here and we should pass 3 as carry. But there is no other digit to multiply. That's why we should write 3 also here. Understood, children? Now this is the result of 72 into 5. Okay, this line is belongs to 5. Next we have to multiply 72 with 30 because 3 is in tens place. Understood? Now that result we should write as second line. Before that we should put 0 in ones place. 0 in ones place because now we are multiplying 72 with the digit in tens place. With the digit in tens place. That's why we should put 0 in ones place. Now start multiplication with 3. 3 into 2. First we should multiply digit in ones place. 3 into 2. How much it is? 3 into 2 is equal to 6. We get only single digit number. Then we can write directly. We can write directly. Next we have to multiply 3 and 7. 3 and 7. 3 into 7. How much it is? 3 sevens or 21. 21. We get 2 digit number. We have to write 1 here and we have to pass 2 as carry. But there is no other digit. Understood, children? There is no other digit to pass carry. That's why we can write 21 here only. Now we get result in 2 lines. Result in 2 lines. First line belongs to 5. Second line belongs to 3. To get final result, we should add these 2 lines. Understood, children? We should add these 2 lines. Now add these 2 lines. 0 plus 0, 0 only. 6 plus 6, how much it is? 6 plus 6, 12. So write 2 here and 6 plus 6. Look here, children. 6 plus 6 is equal to 12. 12 means we have to write only single digit here. So right side digit must be right here and left side digit we should write as carry to the next place. We should write 1 as carry in the next place. The next place is hundreds. So we should write that carry here. Understood, children? You should not write here. This is the carry for the operation addition. Now we are doing addition on these 2 lines. So this carry belongs to addition operation. So we should write 1 here only. Don't write here. Understood, children? Now we should add the digits in hundreds place. So you should start from carry. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. There is no carry. Next, we have 2 in thousands place. There is no other digit to add. So simply write 2 here. So this is the final result. 2520 is the final result. This is called product of 72 and 35. Understood, children? The next question is multiply 147 by 24. 147 by 24. Here 147 is the multiplicand, 24 is the multiplier. Now I am writing 147 into 24. Now we should multiply each and every digit of multiplicand with each and every digit of multiplier. First we should multiply ones place. Understood? First we should multiply ones place. So first just ignore 2. You should take 147 into 4. Now we have to multiply 4 and 7. 4 into 7 is equal to, how much it is? 4 sevens or 28. We get a 2-digit number, but we need to write a single digit here. So we should write right side digit as result and left side digit as carry in the next place. So we should write 2 as carry here. Understood, children? Next we should multiply 4 and 4. So take 4 into 4. 4 fours are, how much it is? 16. But here we have carry 2. So we should add this carry to this result. 16 plus 2 is equal to 18. So this is the result. From this result, we should write right side digit as answer and 1 as carry in the next place. So we should write 1 here as carry. Understood, children? Now we should multiply 1 and 4. 1 and 4. So take 4 into 1 is equal to 4 ones or 4 only. By multiplying any number with 1 we get same number. So we should add this carry to this result. 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. Now we should write 5 here. Understood, children? We should write 5 here. Now, this is the result of 147 into 4. Understood, children? This line, first line belongs to multiplication of 147 by 4. Now we have to multiply this multiplicand with 2. Understood? Before that, first we should put 0 in ones place because we are multiplying the digit in tens place. So, we should put 0 in ones place. Understood? And we should cross out the carries belongs to 4. Carries belongs to 4. Now, we can start our multiplication with 2. First, we should multiply digit in ones place. So, take 2 into 7. 2 into 7. 2 sevens are, how much it is? 2 sevens are 14. But we need only single digit. So, write right side digit as a result here and left side digit 1. We should write as carry. We should write as carry in the next place. What is the next place? That is tens place. So, we should write 1 as carry here. Just ignore these carries. These carries or belongs to 4. Understood? Now, this is the carry while we are doing multiplication with 2. Next, we should multiply the digit in tens place with 2. Take 2 into 4. 2 into 4. How much it is? 2 fours are 8. But here we have carry. So we should add carry here. 8 plus 1. 8 plus 1 is 9. So the result is 9. There we have only single digit. So we can write directly here. There is no other digit to pass to next place. Understood, children? Then we have to multiply the digit in hundreds place. So take 2 into 1. 2 into 1. 2 ones are 2 because by multiplying any number with 1 we get the same number. So 2 is the result. There is no carry to add. So 2 is the result. Take 2 here. We have to write 2 in thousands place. Now, this is the result by multiplying with 4. And this is the result after multiplying multiplicand with 2. Okay. This is 2-digit multiplication. So, we get 2 lines. Result in 2 lines. To get final result, we should add these 2 lines. So, take addition on these 2 lines. 8 plus 0. 8 plus 0. 8. 8 plus 4. How much it is? 12. 8 plus 4 is 12. So, write 2 as result and take 1 as carry in the next place. We should write carry here only. We should not write carry here. We should take carry here because this is the operation belongs to addition. This is the operation belongs to addition, but this is multiplication. Here we have 2 parts of operation. One is multiplication and another one is addition. So this carry belongs to addition. We should write this carry here only. Don't write here. Okay, these carries or belongs to multiplications and this carry belongs to addition. Understood, children? Now add these digits. 1 plus 5. How much it is? 6. 6 plus 9. 6 plus 9. I am writing here. 6 plus 9. 15. How much it is? 15. We should write 5 as result. And we should take 1 as carry in the next place. The next place is thousands. Okay. This is ones place, tens place, hundreds place and then thousands place. Now we should write 1 in thousands place as carry. Now add these digits. Here any other digit to add? Nothing. So add 1 and 2. By adding these two, we get 3. This is the final result. 3528. This is the product of 147 and 24. Is it clear, children? Now we are going to the topic multiplication by 3-digit number. Multiplication by 3-digit number. Here I am taking multiply 224 by 120. Multiply 224 by 120. Here both multiplicand and multiplier in 3 digits. That is, first we should write 224. 224 into 120. This is the multiplier. This is the multiplier. Now, we should multiply each and every digit of multiplicand with each and every digit of multiplier. Understood, children? We should multiply each and every digit of multiplicand with each and every digit of multiplier. First, we should start from ones place. We just ignore 1 and 2. Now, multiply 224 by 0. Take these steps. 0 into 4. 0 into 4. By multiplying any number with 0, we get 0 only. So, write 0. By multiplying 0 and 2, 0 into 2 or 2 into 0, anything is 0. Write 0 in tens place. Next, multiply 0 and 2 again. Again we get 0. Now, this is the line belongs to multiplication of 224 and 0. Understood? Now we should multiply each and every digit of multiplicand with the digit in tens place of multiplier. Understood? Multiplication with 0 is completed. Now we should multiply with 2. We should take each and every digit value multiplying. Before that, we should put 0 in ones place. We should put 0 in ones place because we are multiplying with digit in tens place. Now we are multiplying with digit in tens place. That's why we should put 0 in ones place. Then start your multiplication. First we should start from ones place. Now we should multiply 2 and 4. 2 into 4. How much it is? 2 4s are 8. Write 8 here. Next, take 2 into 2. 2 into 2. Next place is tens. So we should multiply these two. Then take 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4. We get only single digit number. Then we can write 4 directly. Next, we should multiply the digit in hundreds place with 2. Understood? Take 2 into 2. Again 2 into 2 is equal to 4. So write here 4. Now the multiplication with digit in tens place is completed. That's why we get 2 lines of result. This line belongs to 0. This line belongs to 2. Now we have to multiply each and every digit of multiplicand with the digit in hundreds place of multiplier. Understood? This digit belongs to multiplier. Now we have to multiply these all digits with 1. Before that, we should put 2 zeros in ones place and tens place. We should put 2 zeros in ones place and tens place in the result, mean third line of the result, because now we are multiplying with digit in hundreds place. Understood? Now we are multiplying with digit in hundreds place. While we multiplying digit in tens place, we just put only one digit, that is in ones place. But now we are using two zeros in ones place and tens place, because now we are multiplying with digit in hundreds place. Instead, before 100 we have two places, tens and ones. Those places must be filled with zeros. Understood, children? Then take multiplication. First we should start from ones place. So take 1 into 4. 1 into 4. 1 into 4, 4 only. That is single digit number. So we can write directly here. Next, we should multiply 2 with 1. Now 1 into 2 is equal to 1 into 2 is equal to 2. So we can write directly. This is also single digit number. Again, we have to multiply the digit in hundreds place with 1. Take 1 into 2. Again, 1 into 2. This is also 2. Write that here. Now, how many lines we get? Here we get 3 lines as a result. First line belongs to 0, second line belongs to 2 and third line belongs to 1. To get final result, we should add these 3 lines. Understood, children? Now, we have to go to addition part. Okay. Up to here, we are doing multiplication. After multiplication, we get 3 lines as a result. To get final result, we are applying addition on these 3 lines. Is it clear? Now add these. 0 plus 0 plus 0. Nothing is here. So simply write 0. 0 plus 8 is 8 only. 8 plus 0 is also 8. Next, 0 plus 4 is 4. 4 plus 4? 4 plus 4 is 8. 4 plus 2. Now we have to add the digits in thousands place. 4 plus 2, 6. Now take 2 because here there is no digit to add. So directly take 2. This is the final result. 26,880 is the final result of this multiplication. Understood, children? The next example is multiply 3012 by 213. Here 3012 is the multiplicand, 213 is the multiplier. Let us write these numbers. 3012 into 213. Now we should multiply each and every digit of multiplicand with each and every digit of multiplier. Understood? First we should start from the digit in ones place. So just ignore 2, 1. You should multiply 3012 by 3. Understood? And we should start from the digit in ones place. So we have to take 3 into 2. 3 into 2. How much it is? 3 2s are 6. Is there any carry to pass to next place? No, because here we have only single digit number. So write directly here. Next we have to multiply the digit in tens place with 3. So take 3 into 1. 3 ones are 3 according to the property. Then write 3 here because there is no other digit to pass as carry. Next we have to multiply the digit in hundreds place. Digit in hundreds place, that is 0. 0 into 3 is equal to 0 only. We can take 3 into 0 also. 3 zeros are 0 only. So write 0 here. Understood, children? Next we have to multiply the digit in thousands place with 3. So take 3 into 3 is equal to 9. 3 into 3 is equal to 9. Write in thousands place. Now this is the result by multiplying 3012 with 3. Understood? Next we have to multiply each and every digit of multiplicand with the digit in tens place of multiplier. Understood? Now just we have to ignore these two digits. We have to multiply all these digits with 1. Before going to that, we should put 1 0 in 1's place. 0 in 1's place, because now we are multiplying the digits of multiplicand with the digit in tens place. Now we are multiplying with the digit in tens place. First take 1's place, digit in 1's place. Take 1 into 2. 1 into 2 is equal to 2 only. So we can write it directly here. There is no carry to pass to next place. Next we have to multiply the digit in tens place with 1. So 1 into 1. 1 into 1. How much it is? 1 only. So write here. Next we have to multiply the digit in hundreds place with 1. So take 1 into 0. 0 only. By multiplying with 0 we get 0 only. So write 0 here. Next we have to multiply the digit in thousands place with 1. So take 1 into 3. 1 into 3 is equal to 3. By multiplying with 1 we get the same number. So result is 3. Now we get this result. This is the result by multiplying 3012 with 1. Understood, children? Now we have to multiply each and every digit of multiplicand with 2. Here multiplication with 3 is completed. We get this result. Multiplication with 1 also completed. We get this result. Next we have to multiply with 2. Then we will get another line. We will get another line as a result. Let us take 2 into 2. Before that we should put zeros in ones place and tens place. Here we have to put 2 zeros. We have to put 2 zeros in third line of result, because we are multiplying with digit in hundreds place. Digit in hundreds place. So we should fill tens and ones place with zeros. Now take 2 into 2. First we should take ones place digit. So take 2 into 2. How much it is? 2 into 2 is equal to 4. Then write here. 2 into 2, 4. Next we should multiply the digit in tens place. Take 2 into 1. 2 into 1 is equal to 2. So 2 into 1 is equal to 2. Next 2 into 0. 2 into 0 is always 0. Okay. Then take the digit in thousands place. 2 into 3. How much it is? 2 into 3 is equal to 6. 2 into 3 is equal to 6. Then write that 6. Okay. Now we have to apply addition on these 3 lines, because this line is belongs to 3. This line is belongs to 1. This line is belongs to 2. These 3 lines are belongs to result only. To get final result, we should add these 3 lines. So we should apply addition. Understood, children? Add these numbers. 6 plus 0, 6. Again 6 plus 0, 6. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 0, 5 only. 0 plus 1, 1. 1 plus 4, 5. 9 plus 0, how much it is? 9 only. 9 plus 2, we have to add that result with this digit. 9 plus 2 is 11. Write 1 here and 1 as carry. This carry is belongs to addition, not belongs to multiplication. So we should write here only. Don't write above these numbers. Understood? So now add carry and this digit. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 0, 4 only. And is there any other digit or carry to add? No, nothing is there. So simply write 6 here. This is the final result. 6,41,556. This is the product of 3012 and 213. Understood, children? This is the final result. The next example is multiply 438 by 243. Here 438 is the multiplicand, 243 is the multiplier. Both multiplicand and multiplier has 3 digits. Let us write these numbers. First take 438 into 243. Now we have to multiply each and every digit of multiplicand with each and every digit of multiplier. But first we should start from ones place, the digit in ones place. So just ignore these 2 digits. Then multiply 438 by 3. Understood, children? So we have to start our multiplication with the digit in ones place. That means 8. So take 3 into 8. 3 into 8. How much it is? 3 8s are 24. 3 8s are 24. There we have 2 digits. But we need only single digit. So write 4. Right side digit 4 as result and 2 as carry in the next place. Understood? So write 2 here as carry. Is it clear, children? Then we have to multiply the digit in tens place. So we have to take 3 into 3. 3 into 3. How much it is? 3 3s or 9. But we have 2 as carry. So we should add 2 to the result. By adding these 2, we get 11. That is also a 2-digit number. So we should write right side 1 as result and left side 1 as carry in the next place. Understood, children? Then we have to multiply the digit in hundreds place with 3. So we should take 3 into 4. 3 into 4. 3 4s are 12 plus we have carry. We have 1 as carry. So we should add 1 here. By adding 1 we get 13. We get 13. So the result is 13. Now we have to write 3 and 1. 3 and 1 here only because there is no other digit to multiply. Understood, children? Now we have to multiply each and every digit of multiplicand with the digit in tens place of multiplier. Here we have to ignore these 2 digits. Understood? We have to ignore 2 and 3. We have to multiply 438 by 4. This is the digit in tens place. So we should put 0 in ones place. Already we know that. While we multiplying with digit in tens place, we should put 0 in ones place. Understood? And one more thing is, we should cross out the carries what we get in previous multiplication. Okay? Then we have to start our multiplication with 4. Now, we just multiply the digit in ones place with 4. Take 4 into 8. 4 into 8. 4 8s. How much it is? 32. Here 32 is a 2-digit number. Here we have to take 2 as result and 3 as carry for the next place. What is the next place? Now we multiply ones plus digits. So the next place is tens. So we should write 3 as carry here. Understood? Now we should multiply the digit in tens place with 4. Take 4 into 3. 4 into 3. 4 3s are 12. But here we have 3 as carry. 3 as carry. Add that carry here. 12 plus 3 is equal to 15. 12 plus 3 is equal to 15. But we need only single digit. So we have to write 5 as result and 1 as carry in the next place. So write 1 here as carry. Understood, children? Now we have to multiply the digit in hundreds place with 4. Understood? We already completed 4 into 8, 4 into 3. Now we have to take 4 into 4. 4 into 4. How much it is? 4 4s are 16. But we have 1 as carry. Now we have to take 1 here. We have to add 1 with the result. So 16 plus 1 is 17. But we have to write 7 here. And we have to pass 1 as carry to the next place. Is there any other digit? Nothing. There is no digit to multiply. So simply write 1 also here. Understood, children? We can write 1 also here. Then multiplication with 3 and 4 also completed. This result is belongs to multiplication by 3. This result is belongs to multiplication by 4. Now we have to multiply each and every digit with 2. But this 2 is in hundreds place. So we should put 2 zeros. 2 zeros in ones place and tens place. Understood, children? We should put 2 zeros in ones and tens place. Now we should start our multiplication. And one more thing is, we should cross out these carries to avoid our confusion. Because maybe we get carries while multiplying these digits with 2. To write those carries, we should cross out these previous carries. Understood? Then start our multiplication. First we should start from the digit in ones place again. So, take 2 into 8. 2 into 8. How much it is? 2 8s are 16. But we need to write only single digit. Write 6 here and write 1 as carry in the next place. Understood? We multiply the digit in ones place. So the next place is tens. So we have to write carry in tens place. Understood? Now we should multiply the digit in tens place with 2. Take 2 into 3. 2 into 3. 2 3s are 6. But we have carry. So we should add that carry here. 6 plus 1. How much it is? 7. That is a single digit number. So we can write directly here. We can write directly. There is no carry to pass to hundreds place. Now we have to multiply the digit in hundreds place. Okay. Then take 2 into 4. 2 into 4. 2 4s are 8. We get only single digit number. So we can write it directly here. So this result, these 3 lines are belongs to result. This result belongs to this result belongs to 4 and this result belongs to 2. To get our final result, we should add these 3 lines. We should add these 3 lines. Look here. 4 plus 0, 4. And 4 plus 0, again 4. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 0, 3 only. 3 plus 5, 8. 8 plus 6, 14. 8 plus 6. I am writing here 8 plus 6 is equal to 14. We have to write 4 as result and this 1 as carry in the next place. Here we have to write carry below the line because this carry belongs to addition. It is not belongs to multiplication. So we should write here instead. Then add along with carry 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 7, 9. 9 plus 7, how much it is? 16. 9 plus 7 is equal to 16. So write 6 as result and 1 as carry in the next place. 1 as carry in the next place. Understood? Now we have to add the digits in 10,000's place. Look here. We should start from carry. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 8. How much? 10. So this is our final result. How much it is? 1,06,434. 1,06,434. This is the product of 438 and 243. Is it clear, children? Have you understood this topic? I hope you understood. Based on this topic, I am going to give one worksheet. Children, let us see the worksheet. In this worksheet, I gave only 2 questions. These are, first one is multiply 712 by 228. 712 by 228. Second one is multiply 2936 by 189. 2936 by 189. So, please do this worksheet and get ready for next class. If you have any doubts on this topic, just you have to ask in our doubts session. Understood, children? Thank you and take care, children.